One of the things I find most impressive with HealthcareSource as a company is that they really care about what the customer needs, and they're constantly listening to what functionality or what features the customer would really like to see happen. While healthcare is an industry and we all provide healthcare, it's a very different function and need that each hospital has. We all operate very differently, and HealthcareSource really allows me to customize the system to meet my needs. And I think that that's something very few systems do. That you really get a standard, this is the way it is, figure it out. Whereas with HealthcareSource, I'm able to customize it to meet my needs, and it helps me in my everyday activities and workflow. That customization really allows me to control everything, to put people into categories so that when it comes time, I can very easily run reports from the vast variety of reports that they have, or they help me create a customized report and really gather that data again to use it in the way that I need to use it. So the functionality has just given me a lot of options to move forward and to be organized. Position Manager has really helped us to maintain organization and to provide our candidates with a positive experience. You know, they don't have to come in to see us or walk into the office. They can do it from anywhere they want. It provides a very organized, easy way for them to apply. If they want to apply for more than one position, they can easily copy an application. They can easily upload. The resume will automatically parse. I think it saves them a lot of time. And anytime a candidate has a positive experience, it's better for the organization. And it's something that's very important to us. We want to make sure that our candidates have a positive experience from application through the hiring process. The staff assessment tool has allowed us to give the manager some information up front so that they're a lot more comfortable. And my favorite functionality of the staff assessment is the questions that it will give you at the end, targeting the areas that the candidate maybe came across a little weaker in. So my managers love that they have some truly behavioral-based interview questions in front of them they can ask. It also helps them to maintain a very consistent, fair interview process so that they're asking candidates very similar questions and really drilling down on the things that they need to know. Reference assessment has allowed us to save a great deal of time. Number one, it put the responsibility back in the candidate's court. So the candidate reaches out to their references and is responsible for making sure that those references get completed. In addition, I feel that we get much more accurate references. People aren't afraid of saying something negative when they really should. Because they can't necessarily be tied directly to their references. So they're much more willing to be open and honest and provide us a true reference, which is what we need to make sure we're selecting the best candidate for our organization. The client services is one of the things that I think HealthcareSource does best. They truly listen and care about their clients, and you can call or email at any time with a question. They are always willing to go above and beyond to help you out, to answer your questions. It's never a read the manual or figure it out yourself. They are always willing to help, and there's plenty of people there that that they have resources with each other, and they will always find you the answer. HealthcareSource is really a company that I'm comfortable recommending. I think that there's so few companies out there that truly care about the customer and what the customer has to say. And I think that HealthcareSource is one of those companies. They really do listen to what their consumers need, what those HR people are looking for, what functionality or things would make their life easier on a regular basis. And as my job gets busier and busier every day, those things that help me save just that 5 minutes or that 10 minutes make such a big difference to me. And I think that that's something HealthcareSource really cares about doing for their customers.